Hamas Al-Qasamu.
Uy, tabi, tabi! Uy, tabi kayo dyan!
Peace, peace. Ayoko. Time first na, time first. Al-Qasamu.
Magkano bili mo dyan? Sa kanya to? Magkano bili mo dyan?
Mahal to.
Magkano nga?
Ano yan? Tag 400.
400 yan? Saan? Kaya pa?
Sa mall. Sa Sunshine.
Patayin ako na.
Uy! Peace! 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 Peace!
Oh? Ano ba yun? Gago. Gago na ano?
Okay. Sakit to. Kasama rin.
Ito naman sa akin. Madaya nakatago siya dito eh. Tapos ang laki-laki naman niyo.
Nagal ka pa niyo.
Madaya boy, nakatago ko eh.
Pellet gun war pa eh. E ba meron ka ganyan bunso dati?
Ay tayo, change ano.
Bunso!
Hindi umabot yung bala nito boy.
Taka na pagkaganyan ni Nasir, no? Boom!
Ano?
Tingnan ko malayan. Uy, ano yun? Magbara ba?
Bunso, di ba meron ka ganyan dati?
Pahingi yung bala! Sa kanya mga bala!
Putangin na yung bala, naulog!
Pulong nga yan. Oo, lang mo po yun, dugo. Okay siya.
Pellet gun war lang kasi. Dapat kasi may helmet ka eh. Ayos.
Peace tayo po ya! Peace tayo ah!
May bala oy. Nash. Al-Qasam war. Airsoft version.
Biglang pagkatama sa kanya.
Al-Qasam.
Sino? Sirang-sira. Sirang bale.
Again.
Qasam war.
Daming pinagpabalin dito na yun.
Naming balo. Baka nila nakita ko double na bala. Na baril niya. Yun. Narinig ko
Tangix.
sa niya.
Game na! Naka-video?
Nabarin mo. Qasam war.
Game na ka din! Oh!
Bangat.
Uy, gilid ka rin, gilid ka rin. Papaputukin.
Peace! Peace! Oy, may tinaman, may tinaman. Iga ka rin, simiga, iga. Oy, may tinaman, may tinaman. May tinaman dito. Putang ina.
Double. Dalawahan sila. Bahay niya. Saan yung mga bala niyo? Ay, wala pa kami!
Vipers!
Asan pa kami? Uy, ganda sila! Ayun o, nasa motor namin.
Nas, huwag kayong mag-gangwar.
No,
Tingnan nyo ba, nandito lang yun. Ba, nandyan?
Time pa!
Game na siya!
Ito, may pa.
Pahinga ko pala!
Oh, shekel.
Kami wala. Awal, awal, awal. May tinawan ako. Kuchu. Sa inyo to, Nay? Sa amin to. Sa amin to.
Right.
Ayan.
Wow, parating na mga Buratski. Wow, parating na yung mga Buratski. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Any Jew will fucking kill on us. He's striking the aircraft. Oh, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. More fucking Jew like this. Allahu Akbar, look at this. Look, the drone is scouting. The drone is scouting. Oh. You see that? You see that? The drone was scouting. The drone is scouting. The fucking drone. Holy shit. Drone is scouting. Drone is fucking scouting.
Dito kayo sa gitna. Naghahabag pa kami po.
Allahu Akbar, la ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. They are scouting Al-Qurja, fucking Israel. We are attacking on my country. Holy shit!
Gitna.
Allahu Akbar, la ilaha illallah. Allahu Akbar! Another airstrike. Another airstrike was striking a fucking town. Another airstrike. Oh, Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar.
Oh shit.
Oh, they got them under attack.
Loading.
More, they got them. Holy shit! Striking a goddamn pussy guys. Kasama strikes. Allahu Akbar. Paltek. Shit, not explosive. Just fucked up, did the fucking warfare in there. So they are dangerous really. Only the fucking Israel countries. So fucking Judaism. Fucking Zionism. Holy shit. Fucking airstrike. More goddamn airstrike forces. There's an airstrike, King. Oh no. This is goddamn war. A goddamn war, pussy warfare. The pussy war. I repeat, the pussy war. The Vagina Wars. Take out the sniping in the coastal trees, in the 3-pointed, the goddamn Jews. Allahu Akbar!
Reload.
Open nga dia sniper. Jabrud. Allahu Akbar. No, delete. Talan, bikin. Dia goddamn warfare at the encouragement. Sniper, 3-point shutter. Para goddamn LA fix. Allah. More goddamn ISIS godfucker and Israelites. More goddamn warfare. Oh, what is it? Chaki, Takila, Muhammad Ali. Allahu Akbar. The more goddamn Joe warfare. Rabbi cock lovers. Oh. One guy threw the fucking drinks. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. You see that? The more goddamn airstrike. We explode. Oh shit. Allahu Akbar. They goddamn shutter and shit. Guys, this is an fireworks. This is not a fucking fireworks. This is an... I don't know what is this. Why people is psycho. Was creating a fucking war. This is a New Year. Of course. This is not a New Year. And this is not a Christianity country. This is not a Christianity country. And Allahu Akbar! This is not to be Christianity country. See that? Oh, goddamn aircraft. AC-130, of course. AC-130.
Ito ang magandang baril na powerful lang, nakakaabot pa doon. Oh. Tingnan nyo. Yun. Sige. Anuin mo na.